Hey, Joel Walls here with the DVE store. So today I wanted to show you a really cool shoulder mount setup for the new Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. So here we have a really cool rigged out Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K camera with a shoulder mount with a full rail system. Pretty decently light considering for how much gear is mounted on here. What I have involved here, I have a rail system from Shape. This includes the rails. It also has the shoulder pad. Mat box is included with it. It also comes with the follow focus, the cage, and then a nice good top handle that swivels so you can adjust it to side as you're adding additional accessories to the top. You can move the arm around. Also included with the Shape kit, it comes with the handlebars. The mat box is a pretty good quality. It also has this swing away, so then you can come in and clean your lens, change out filters. For the price point, it's a bargain deal. I mean, the quality is pretty spot on. The other thing that's really cool with the Shape kit is it has a nice good quick release so you can on and off the camera as needed. For the lens, I'm using the ZEISS from the Milvus line. This is the 35mm, and this also has the gear ring attached with it as well. You'll need to buy the gear ring in addition to the lens, but then the gear ring will allow you to use the follow focus. For the speed booster to convert to EF lenses, I'm using the Ultra, the 0.71x speed booster from Metabones. The other one that you could use if you're using full frame is you'll want to use the 0.64, the XL for the Metabones if you're going to strictly just use full frame lenses. If you're going to use other Canon lenses and full frame, you might want to do the 0.71x from Metabones to be able to cover both aspects for both lenses. Also, I've got here, this is the Atomos Ninja 5 monitor. You can have a SSD card, so then you can have a backup recording in case your CFast card goes corrupt or you're shooting on an SD card or even doing one of the USB-Cs out to like a Samsung T5 or the G-Tech hard drives. For holding up the Atomos Ninja 5 monitor, I'm using a friction arm, nothing crazy big, just to get the monitor closer out to the mat box for easy viewing like a viewfinder would. For power here, so I am solely running the Core Swix. This is their 150 watt per hour battery. This is the Shape IDX V-mount cheese plate. From here, what I've got going is I'm using the Blackmagic, their DC power cable, and then that goes out to a D-tap that connects to the battery. On the cheese plate, there's also another D-tap output for powering up your Atomos Ninja. It comes with already the battery plate that goes out to the barrel connector. And then all you'll need to do is get the Atomos power cable. It's their barrel to D-tap cable. I'll put all the links and everything to all the products for this complete build down below in the description for you. Well, that about wraps it up for this really cool shoulder mount rig. If you have any questions or like to know more, feel free to email me at joelw@dvestore.com. Thank you and stay tuned for our next episode.